Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Deborah, the Ordinary Gal. If you are new, hello, how are you? Thank you so much for joining me. As you can tell by the title, this is an unboxing. This is my first Ipsy ever. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys and let you guys know. How I feel about this subscription. I do quite a bit of unboxings and unbaggings on my channel. If you've been here before, you would know that, but if you haven't, that is what I kind of do. This is a beauty-driven channel, so don't forget, if you are not subscribed, to subscribe down below. I would really, really appreciate it. Stop yapping and let us get started. So here is what the bag looks like. I'm sure a lot of people are familiar with this. Here's what the packaging looks like. You can totally just like rip off this sticker and use this pack again and just tape it up and stuff like that, which I would definitely do. So that is what it looks like inside. You get a little card. There it is. Tells you, I'm guessing, what is inside. And here is what the bag looks like. Super duper cute. Love it. So fitting for February. I think it's well made too. The zipper is really sewn on there nicely, and then it has a little Ipsy charm at the top right here, which is super cute. That is what it looks like inside. It's one of those linings that you would use, like kind of like a waterproof kind of lining you would use to travel with, I guess. The first thing you get right here is a brush. This is a Luxie 243 Precision Blending Brush. This brush is just like right up my alley. Look at that. It's so nice and small. That would get right into my small little crease. Don't have a lot of hood space or anything like that, so I love like these little petite brushes. I think they are so handy dandy, and I don't have a lot of brushes, but I keep, like, every time I get a different brush that's kind of like the same but, you know, a newer one, I always get rid of the old one. I don't like to keep a lot of brushes for some reason. I know people love that, but I don't, because then it just means I have to wash more brushes. So this one is super cute, and it is a Luxie brush. If you got the December Boxy Charm Luxe, I think it was, this, you got like this little set right here, which completely matches with this brush, which is amazing. I'll just tuck it in there. I don't know what brush is supposed to be in there, but I'll put that one in there for now. The next thing we got was the Alternative Rock Volume 1 Shadow Fart. It is in pink fluorite. You get 1.2 grams, and this is from The Balm Cosmetics. That is what it looks like right here. It is so super cute. It looks like an old school magazine or poster or something like that. I love their packaging. I've never actually tried anything from The Balm ever, so I would be interested to see how this would work out. I have swatched it already. That is what it looks like right there in the shadow pan. It says, take it for granted. Let's see. It is super, it feels very, very smooth, and like a soft here. So this is what it actually looks like. It is like a granite looking color, like a grayish granite looking color with a little bit of kind of like metallic, I guess. So super pretty. That's a pretty color. That was one little swipe around the pan too. I thought that was really pretty. Sorry, my light is really bright because the sun is going down and I don't like the yellow lights in my bathroom, so I like to just use my little ring light that I have instead. Very cool. You get this Hey Honey right there. It's a CC Active Moisturizing Cream Honey and Propolis. I think it's Propolis. Color correcting formula with treatment benefits. Light to medium tone. You get 10 mils in this guy. And it is, you know, it's missing a little bit of product up here, but that's okay. This is still a pretty good size, I think. Yes, and it is formulated in the US. So let me check out what that looks like. That's a pretty, not too bad. It's a color corrector, so it's not too bad, I guess. As I rub it in my skin, there's like little chunks that are kind of like rolling up. And it looks really gray. That's weird. It looks really gray. You guys see that? It's like a gray cast. Really weird. Don't know how I feel about that. We'll see. I am definitely going to obviously try it out because it's in the bag, so why the hell not? The next thing, which is, that's why I have nothing on my lips, because I really, really wanted to try this. I saw that this was in here. Excuse me. It is by Hanalei. I think that's how you pronounce it. Hanalei, and it is a lip treatment in peach. That is what it looks like. This is a really, really good sample. I love this sample. Has a little pokey thing, so it did have a foil. I didn't use the pokey thing. I just took out, I just took off the top of the foil. So I did want to try this out. See how this feels and how this looks on my skin. Ooh, too much. So that's what it looks like. Really nice and shiny. It smells amazing. It smells really, really sweet. I don't want to say vanilla. It doesn't smell like vanilla. It smells really good. It tastes really good too. For this product, let me see, you got 5 mils, 0.17 ounces, and it is made in the USA in Honolulu, Hawaii. So really cute. I really, really like that. That's like my favorite thing so far. That and the brush. The last thing, this is definitely actually my favorite. Pretty much this is all together, I will say, a really good bag. For $10, I didn't think it's too bad. Plus you get a bag, plus you get a reusable pink envelope. How cute is that? So we'll go through and see how much this stuff is afterwards. But you do get, for the last thing, a MAC strobe cream right here. I've been wanting to try this for such a long time. Like, I've swatched it on my hand in like Ulta or Macy's or whatever, but I've never actually got a sample of it. I've never actually tried it on my face before makeup or whatever, or as a moisturizer, period. And I have really been wanting to. So this one is in Pink Light. It says you get 6 mils. That is what it looks like when you don't spread it out. It has like a little pink shimmer, and you can wear this by yourself or with makeup. So yeah, that is what it looked like when it wasn't rubbed in. So this is what it looks like when it's rubbed in. It's very nice. It feels really nice and moisturized. It doesn't feel sticky or anything like that, and it looks really nice on the skin. I would have personally liked the gold one. I think that would just fit my skin tone a lot better than the pink lit one, but either way, I am happy to just even try the formula and see how it feels by itself all day, or with my makeup, mixed in with my makeup or anything like, or something like that. So I'm really excited to try this guy. Right. Really excited. Overall, I think as my first impression for this bag, I really, really like it. I am going to put a pause on this bag for the month of March for all of my other bags as well, like for my Allure one. Actually, I only get Allure, BoxyCharm, and Ipsy now. So yeah, just Allure and Ipsy, I guess, because I'm going to be getting that Boxy Luxe. So that's, you know, quite a bit out of my bank account. And then all the other things that are on, I'm like taking a break every 3 months, so from all the other stuff. So I'll just be unboxing the Boxy Luxe next month, which I cannot wait for. I'm super excited. So yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this month's bag. If you guys thought it was worth the $10 or not, let me know down below. I would really, really love to know that. Like I said, overall, I was really happy about it. I thought it was pretty good for 10 bucks. So definitely will be getting it again. I also was looking at this. This doesn't tell me anything about how much anything is, so it just tells you how to use the items and stuff, which is great, but I just wish that they would tell you what the full-size price was. That would be pretty nice. But anyways, I think I am going to be trying this. I think you get $3 off your first purchase. So this lip thing, I think I'm going to be buying that. See how it goes for the rest of the time I have it on my mouth. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.